Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Edward Jones investment portfolio, fast access step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in edwardjones.com and press enter. Wait for the Edward Jones homepage to load completely. Once on the homepage, look for the login option situated at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your username and password. Enter your registered username in the first field. Next, input your password in the corresponding field. Double-check both entries to ensure accuracy. Once verified, click the Login button. If your login details are correct, you will be taken to your investment portfolio dashboard. For enhanced security, you may be prompted to answer security questions or complete a verification process. If you forgot your username or password, click on the respective link provided below the login fields. Follow the on-screen instructions to recover your account information if necessary. After accessing your portfolio, you can review your investments and account details. To log out, locate the Logout option, usually found at the top right corner. Click Log Out to safeguard your account before closing the browser. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.